Hey, are you searching for good quality tech gifts? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these tech gifts. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which tech gifts are the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Shure MV88 Plus Video Kit. The Shure MV88 Plus is a mobile microphone that can be plugged into the Lightning port of your iPhone or the USB-C port of your Android phone to deliver audio of professional quality for a wide variety of purposes, including silly TikTok skits, makeup tutorials, and video essays. It is compatible with the Shure MOTIV app and enables the creation of individualized equalizer settings, ensuring that your audience can hear you without distracting background noise. You have the option of recording in stereo, bidirectional, or cardioid patterns with this app, making it versatile enough to accommodate music, interviews, and other forms of content. Additionally, it comes with a phone clamp, a miniature tripod, and a windscreen, all of which will assist you in setting up the device and producing high-quality videos in a matter of minutes. Number 2. Furbo Pet Camera. We all adore our furry friends, so it can be difficult to leave them behind when we travel for the holidays or return to work. With the Furbo Pet Camera, though, you can check in whenever you want and even throw some treats their way with the integrated launcher. Place the Furbo Pet Camera where it will have the finest view of your pet's favorite spots thanks to its 36,360 degrees of rotation. Additionally, two-way audio enables you to communicate with your animals and pet carers if necessary. Additionally, it features a bark alert feature that notifies you when your dog barks so you can immediately check in to see if there's an emergency or if your dog just had to inform everyone about a leaf that blew across the yard. Number 3. Misby Mug Warmer. The Misby Mug Warmer is the ideal gift if you know anyone who, like me, enjoys a good cup of coffee or tea while working but frequently lacks the time to finish it before it gets cold. This tiny hot plate is made to maintain the ideal temperature for your cup of coffee, tea, or cocoa so you can sip it at your leisure. Additionally, you won't have to be concerned about it overheating or harming your desk because it has an automatic shut-off feature. The hot plate's body is spill-proof, making it simple to clean and secure from electrical shorts. Even though the heating area only has a 3.5 inches diameter, the warming plate's rimless construction allows you to use that extra large mug on days when you could use the caffeine. Number 4. Sphero Mini Robot Ball. The Sphero Mini Robot Ball is a wonderful toy that doubles as a fantastic STEM learning tool. It uses a companion app for younger children that has drag and drop coding blocks for basic actions like driving through a maze or around objects. Additionally, the Sphero Mini uses JavaScript to teach more complex coding to older children and teenagers. Your kids can use the Sphero Mini as a controller for arcade-style games in the companion app thanks to 3 different game modes. The Sphero Mini has a gyroscope, accelerometer, and LED indicator lights, so your children can learn the fundamentals of coding, robotics, and other STEM fields without feeling like they are being lectured to. Number 5. Wyze Cam V3. This indoor-outdoor security camera is an excellent and inexpensive solution to provide folks peace of mind throughout the entire year, not just the holidays. The Wyze Cam V3 may be installed without any hardwiring and instead uses an adhesive pad for practically endless placement options. Additionally, the enclosure has an IP65 waterproof rating, protecting delicate electronics from the effects of snow, rain, and other external factors. When in color night vision mode, you can see more clearly in your yard, garage, or inside your house, and two-way audio enables you to communicate with guests, delivery people, and intruders without having to open the door or go inside. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.